The advantage to all of you advantages who are in this audience. If I were to be so favored and so blessed of the Lord, be the one to get this opportunity to cross that bridge and make contribution to the service of my country in that office, I pledge to you in this sanctuary, I will never let you down, and you will see a definite result. You will do that same spirit that we had in Jogo House of cleaning up, that same spirit we had in Interior of cleaning up, that same spirit we had in ICT of getting the right thing done. Imagine if we did not migrate. I don't know whether young people you supposed to think when I was being fought to the Supreme Court on digital migration. Imagine if we did not migrate. Where would we be today? All this work that we are doing on YouTube and all this kind of, where would we be today? I fought that war because of where we are today. The jobs that have been created as a result of that particular war.